Packing for a 7-day trip in just a carry-on might seem impossible, but with the right strategy, you can fit everything you need without sacrificing style or convenience. Overpacking leads to unnecessary stress, baggage fees, and wasted time at the airport. Follow these essential steps to maximize space, stay organized, and travel light. Step 1. Choose the right carry-on. A lightweight, durable carry-on with multiple compartments is ideal. Opt for a soft-sided bag for flexibility or a hard-shell case for extra protection. Check airline size restrictions to avoid surprises at the gate. Step 2. Plan a versatile wardrobe. Stick to a color scheme where all items mix and match. Neutral tones with 1 or 2 accent colors work best. Pack lightweight, wrinkle-resistant fabrics that can be layered. For a 7-day trip, pack 3 to 4 tops, 2 to 3 bottoms, 1 to 2 dresses or jumpsuits if applicable, 1 light jacket or sweater, 1 set of sleepwear, 7 pairs of underwear and socks, and 1 to 2 pairs of shoes. Wear the bulkiest pair while traveling. Step 3. Use packing cubes and the rolling method. Packing cubes keep clothes compressed and organized. Roll softer fabrics like t-shirts and fold structured items like jeans to maximize space. Use compression bags for bulkier clothing like jackets. Step 4. Pack multi-purpose shoes and accessories. Shoes take up space, so limit yourself to 1 casual pair and 1 dressier option. Accessories like scarves and jewelry elevate outfits without adding bulk. Step 5. Minimize toiletries. Use travel-sized bottles and solid toiletries to save space. Hotels often provide basic toiletries, so only bring essentials. A quart-sized bag for liquids ensures compliance with TSA rules. Step 6. Organize electronics and travel documents. A tech pouch keeps chargers, adapters, and small gadgets organized. Keep your passport, identification card, travel itinerary, and important documents in an easily accessible compartment. Packing for a 7-day trip in a carry-on is simple with the right approach. Stick to essentials, maximize space with smart packing techniques, and enjoy stress-free travel without extra baggage. A well-packed carry-on means less hassle, more mobility, and the freedom to focus on your adventure.